Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a magical weight loss morning drink that will improve your digestion naturally and releases bad toxin in your body. Do you have any idea how many calories are there in a glass of orange juice? 110 calories. Any idea about how much calories does a glass of apple juice contain? 110 calories. And how many calories are there in a glass of grape juice? 150 calories. Cucumber juice is nutrient dense but extremely low in calories. One glass is around 45 calories. Cucumber juice helps with weight loss. If you are trying to lose weight, replacing sugary sodas, sports drinks, and juices with cucumber water can help you cut some serious calories from your diet. Staying hydrated also help you full fit. Cucumber juice is neutrally hydrating and contains minerals like potassium and magnesium that actually help maintain your body's full balance. So, in this video, I am going to share one morning weight loss drink with you. The ingredients in this morning weight loss drink are very simple, very easily, only to your kitchen. 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, half teaspoon paste ginger, coriander leaves, half teaspoon black pepper. Take all this clean in well in running water and chop them. And take all this put in your blender. Add just little water and nothing else you required. No salt, no sugar, no masalas. Add half teaspoon black pepper. Now your juice is ready. Is a lovely color of the juice. Add some ice cubes and serve chill. Thank you.